Probably have no idea where you're at right now, do you?
No, not really.
All right, Jimmy, this one's for you. Can I get a clear prop? Man. There you go.
Just traffic.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the right.
Yep, that's correct.
Left,
Just like the road sign, so it says 5 is this way.
Oh, nice. Okay. Hey. I was gonna say learn something every day, but that's kind of why I'm here. So.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, so just like we talked about, the wind is directly behind you.
Right. Okay. So
push it in all the way. There you go, just like
okay.
that. Alright, get lined up here and we'll hit it. Come a little
Alright. Yep.
Alright, you ready?
Ready.
Do it. Hand on the throttle. There
Right,
you go. Fly with your left hand. A little right rudder. Airspeed's alive. Go ahead and rotate. We got off the ground fast.
Yeah, we did.
Woo! And then right, put the nose right about there. That'll give you about 78.
Alright.
Looking good, looking good. Watch that nose. Keep it on the road.
Yep. That was a very fast takeoff.
We got off the ground quick. Got a lot of headwind up here. I'm gonna let you put the foggles on. I got the flight controls.
Okay, you
I got the
controls?
There's the foggles.
All right. Here we go.
How's that feel? Can you see anything?
I mean, I can see some water, but other than that,
All right.
I'm kind of keeping my head, so I'm only looking at this.
Yeah. All right, so you got the flight controls.
All right,
You got
I
the
have controls.
You got it. I want you to hold me on this heading. So let's pretend you just flew through a big cloud.
All right.
150
Okay.
at 4,000 feet.
All right. Didn't do that very well.
Yeah, try not to fixate. So
There we go.
primary instrument, PSI, looking back and forth. That scan. Now this one doesn't work, so up and down, back and forth. Looking at 4,000 feet.
4,000 feet.
Heading.
Heading 150. Okay.
Yeah. Keep those eyes moving around. All right, let's say you wanted to get out of the cloud, so let's do that 180, that turn you were talking about.
All right, 180.
Yeah, you're clear right.
You're right. Okay, going right.
Yeah. 15 degrees for instruments.
Okay.
Don't want to overdo it. This looks really good. Little right rudder. Easy on the bank. Feel the nose dropping.
I did. Yeah, I was starting to pull it back a little bit.
Alright, that's pretty much a 180. We'll keep flying out of the cloud here.
Going for 340, right?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, I'm pretty far off.
Yeah, you keep getting a little drift, so
Yeah.
keep watching the attitude indicator. Make sure your wings are still level. And then you're gonna lead the level off somewhere right here. Start pitching up to level. Don't add throttle yet. Pitch up to level. Then now you can start adding throttle back in. Your attitude indicator will tell you a lot about how level you are. Alright, give me a right turn at 3,500 feet.
Okay.
All the way to 150.
3,500.
Yep. Then you're clear right. And we'll say you're still in the clouds, so just 15 degrees of bank right there.
Okay.
Yep, watch that attitude, see how far your nose is down.
Yeah.
You can probably feel that a little bit. There you go. There we go. Nice job on the rollout. Well, you're starting to get the hang of it.
Not too bad. Could always be better. But
Keep
not
those
too
eyes
bad.
moving around. At any given minute, you could be turning without noticing. Probably have no idea where you're at right now, do you?
No, not really.
You could peek. Right there's Kurtuk Airport.
Okay, is that North Carolina?
Yeah. Pretty much. There's the beach.
Oh, sweet. Beautiful.
But yeah, so where people get themselves in a lot of trouble is when they get in the cloud. They go ahead and initiate a left turn, clear left.
Okay, clear left.
And they bank a little too much, so they bank like a normal VFR turn, 30 degrees.
Right, okay.
They keep this constant turn coming around. Now the fluid in your ear can play a trick on you when you level back off. So keep coming around.
Okay.
Right now the fluid in your ears is saying, okay, we're in a left turn.
All right. Yep.
And you're just letting it sit there, so now your head really knows you're in a left turn, so level off.
Okay.
Now it could be easy for some people to actually start turning right here without looking at the instruments.
Okay.
It plays a trick on you there.
I was looking at the instrument so much I didn't really feel what my body was doing.
Yeah. Alright, we'll start heading back to the airport.
Airport numbers for runway 5.
Alright, I got the flight controls.
You have controls.
I got the controls. I'll let you take the goggles off.
All right.
I've tortured you enough.
That's all right.
Alright. So you got the flight controls.
I have controls.
So you're like, I can see.
Wow, that's bright.
Is that easier than you anticipated?
A little harder when it came to keeping it level, but yeah, the rest of it was just finding the right balance.
Yeah. You got much better aircraft control since you first started.
Oh, nice, thanks. Chesapeake 7-4 uniform over the field, teardrop for runway 5.
There you go.
I guess he's practicing touch and goes.
Yeah. You're gonna be there before long. Oh, you can just see how slow we're going over the ground right now. Let's see if you can land this bird.
All right.
So tell them we're turning left base, runway 5.
Chesapeake traffic 7-4 uniform, turn left base for runway 5.
All right, go ahead and drop flaps 20 in.
Okay. There it is.
All right, keep pushing. For 65, remember?
65.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, well, that's way above 65.
Trim might be fighting you a little bit. See here. There you go. That feel better?
Yeah.
And you can tell them we're on final.
Chesapeake traffic 7-4 uniform on final, runway 5.
We're just a little high. Bring your throttle back a little bit.
Okay.
And then add another notch of flaps.
Okay.
Down to 30. There you go. Keep.
There it is.
So you're gonna push for 65. And you're gonna use altitude, or the throttle to control your altitude.
Okay, all right, so I want 65.
Yep, so keep.
Throttle for altitude. So I'm gonna pull back for 65, right?
Yep, but just
Okay, there
small. Yeah, just small corrections.
Okay,
You see how
got it.
fast it happens?
Yeah, that was
This
very
looking
fast.
really good. Just a touch high. So you can take out a little bit of throttle. There you go, get you down. Feel it's coming down. And put some throttle in, just a little bit. little bit more. There you go. Don't forget about your airspeed. And somewhere in here you can start taking it all the way out. Yep, all the way out. And then start the flare. Nice and easy. Too much. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, there you go. And we'll get off at Bravo.
Okay.
Nice job.
Okay.
I don't think you've had any hard landings yet.
No, thank God.
They've all
not
been
yet.
pretty smooth.